Good morning, MyBlindCo users. This is Audra with MyBlindCo. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use MyBlindCo Pay within the app. So right here, I have a quote and I'm going to open it up. And let's just say the customer is ready to sign off on the job and pay the deposit. And in this scenario, we're in the house. Okay, so I'm going to hit create order and it's going to take you to a sign off page. As you guys know, this terms and conditions is a hyperlink. Here you can put in your customized terms and conditions. You get the customer to sign off on the job. And then you hit create order. It takes you automatically to this receive payment page. So if you're signed up with MyBlindCo Pay, all you have to do is enter in the credit card number. Up here is your total invoice amount. And then it will also calculate your required deposit amount. 4527 is an actual 50% deposit. And you can set your company-wide required deposit on the portal My Business company profile page. This is where you can set your required deposit. Also, if you want to pass on a credit card surcharge, you can also edit that amount right on this page. And doing that, that will show up right here on this 3%. And you can toggle that on or off if you want to pass that charge to the customer. All right, so instead of the 4,500 charge, I'm going to go ahead and edit this number and only run the card for $1. I want to show you a couple things after this. All right, so I have a dollar here, and with this toggle button on, it's going to send your customer the signed copy of the order and payment confirmation as soon as you hit this button, receive payment. All right, message, your payment was successful. Once you run a credit card in MyBlindCo, it stores their credit card, so you can come to the payment history, click on receive payment. As you can see here, credit card is saved, and then you can enter in the final payment amount right here and receive final payment. And this functionality is also on the portal. So this is my the same job I ran. I can come to Actions, View, click on Receive Payment, and I can perform that final payment here on the portal as well. Works just the same way. You enter in the dollar amount, hit the check sign, and then hit Receive Payment. There you go. Now you can see how easy it is to run credit cards through MyBlindCo with MyBlindCo Pay. Thank you very much.